Hi there, welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. In today's episode, I have a different kind of a thriller that you will enjoy. The movie that I'm talking about is actually a remake of a Danish film which was a big hit on the festival circuit. And the movie was inspired by a true story. The movie is The Guilty, it's streaming on Netflix and it stars Jake Gyllenhaal. Now the movie is entirely on Jake Gyllenhaal. There are a few other characters that you see in the movie, but the performance is entirely on him. In fact, the movie almost acts like a mono act, where everything is hinging around Jake Gyllenhaal and his performance. So the movie is about this cop played by Jake Gyllenhaal, who's actually going through a troubled time. He's being investigated for a particular crime, because of which he has been demoted to manage 911 calls in the 911 command center. So he's basically taking these calls in 911 and helping out distressed citizens. Now one such call troubles him. There is a woman who calls him and says she's been kidnapped. And as he tries to help her out and as the story moves forward, he realizes there is more to the kidnapping than what was earlier thought about. He finds out that two of her small children are in danger, so he tries to rally around his cop friend and other cops to help them out. And at the same time, he is desperately trying to find out where this woman is being taken, who's kidnapped her, and how can he help her out, and whether she'll get killed or can he save her. So the narrative gets really tense as it goes along, and all of this is happening on the call. Everything is voice conversation, so there's absolutely nothing else. He's in the command center, he's moving around trying to figure out from one call to the other call, and the frustration that he's going through because he's helpless. He's sitting in the command center trying to help out but can't do much beyond that. That helplessness you can actually feel. Apart from that, he himself is suffering through some health issues. He has ringing in his ears, he feels nauseated. So Jake Gyllenhaal's performance is top notch. You actually kind of start believing and sensing his frustrations as he goes through this experience. And while he is going through that, he also is reflecting on his own past. His own incident that has basically brought him under investigation and sort of is going through a catharsis of his own issues. So the movie gets really interesting, and there is a twist in the end that you come to know about this entire kidnapping incident that happens. So overall, quite a tense taut thriller of a different kind and something for you to enjoy, particularly Jake Gyllenhaal's performance and the way the story has been built up and set up. I would recommend, if you're looking for a different thriller, then do check out The Guilty on Netflix. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I look forward to bring more interesting reviews for all of you. Till next time, bye-bye.